Today, in this video, I am going to discuss about the Zotero software. So this is a very good software having too many features, and you can use this software in adding the references in your document, either thesis, when you want to write thesis, when you want to write paper, or when you want to write a review articles. So this software is providing you each and everything about how to add the extension and how to adjust the references. So right from the start, I just want to say that you can first go to the Google. Like here you can write Google in so you can just write download Zotero, and then from here you just need to press Zotero. So when it is downloaded, the exe file is there in your downloads. So you can see that in your downloads there is a Zotero software. So you can download this Zotero and then install the Zotero. So once you install the Zotero, so you can also the connector Zotero connector to your Chrome, so that you can easily add the references. So there are many ways of adding references, but first, like before adding the references, you need to open the Zotero software, and then once you open the Zotero software, you can add any bibliographic file here. Like you can just press this button, and then you can save with any name. Like I said, a BC. So if you save that file, you can see the file is there. So this is your bibliographic file that you can use for any paper. Like you can need to save the references. So the second thing is that you need to go to the edit preferences, and then from their site, and then word processor, and then here you can see the button install Microsoft Word add-in. So because I have already installed it, so that is why it's saying reinstall. So once you install the Microsoft add-in, the Zotero start appearing in your Microsoft Word document. Like if I open the Microsoft Word document, so you can see the Zotero tab over there. So that is the Zotero tab in your Microsoft Word document. All done. So the next step is that keep adding the references in your biblio file. So I have two files. One is ABC, the second one is biblio. So there are many ways of adding references. The first way of adding reference is that you can use Google Scholar. So like this is the Google Scholar, and then you can write any keyword or title, author name, whatever you want. Like here I write hybrid of SORF communication system, and then press enter. So if you enter, so you can see there are many references relating to this keyword. And then after that you can just press any, like here you can just press this, and then you can see. So and then after that you can press end note. So once you press end notes, you can see that it's saving to biblio, but you can select any file from here, biblio or any other files. So it means that your references have been saved in the Zotero library file named biblio, and then you can see here. So the reference has been physical layer security performance analysis. So this is the new reference that has been saved. The second step is how to save the reference. You can use identifier. Like if you know the DOI of any paper, like so this is the paper, and this is the DOI of that paper. So second way of adding references. Go to Zotero. So that this button is the identifier button. So press that button so you can enter DOI, ISBNs, and any other IDs, and then you can press enter. So once you press enter, so you can see the neural network predictive control of vibration. So this was the reference that you want, neural network predictive control of the vibration in all tall structures. Second way of adding experiment references. The third way is known as drag and drop. Like, so this is the reference you want to add it in your library. So just drag and drop here. So you see, so this references has been added in the. So you see, yes, this was the reference design and implementation of a state feedback controller. So this was the third way. The fourth way, like if you don't like if you don't know or you can't find the references anywhere, so you can add manually. Like here, you can add. So press this button, whatever you want, like book select section, document, journal. So like if I press journal article, so you can see, so this is the empty reference. So whatever you want to write, like first author first name, like you say Nasser, author last name, like you say Khan, so something like that. So here you can write publication, volume, issue, whatever. Like you can add the references manually. So these are the four different ways of adding references. And you can add books as well, like here. So this was the book electronic signal and systems, or maybe this was the book digital signal processing, a breadth first approach. So this was the book that you have selected. So go to extensions here and then see Zotero connector. So just press that button, Zotero connector. So you can see here saving to biblio. So this was saved to bibliography. The other thing of adding multiple, like if you want to add multiple references, so this is from the Google Scholar. So you can just go to again extension and then press Zotero connectors. So here you can see, so a lot of multiple references on this current web page has been appeared. You can select any one of, or you can select all of them, and then press OK. All the references will be saved in your library. So you can see, so this was your library biblio, and it has been saved in the library. All the references have been saved in the library. So once you have saved all the references, you can save a website as well. Like if you want to save a certain website, like here, so this was the website. So if you want to save this website, so mine website. So if you want to save the website, then again just press, and then again Zotero connector. So you see, Zotero connector is like enable. So it means that this website has already been added in the library of the Zotero bibliophile. Like you see here. So this was the website. So that is why that button is inactive. So you can see, you can add the website, you can add the references, you can add the book, you can add the references by DOI. So once you have stored all the references in your library, the next step is that you want to use these references in your document, like here. So like here, just wherever you want to insert the reference, press this button, press your cursor over there, and go to the Zotero software tab. Just press the Zotero and then add edit citation. Press add edit citation, and then you see there are 10,000 styles. Like whichever styles you want, you can select from the library of the Zotero documents. So let's suppose I select IEEE so style. So once I select the IEEE style, I just selected, and then there are two ways. Either you can type a title or author or search a reference. Like you can type the title here, like if I want to write title here, so you can see there are the references start appearing from this name. So this is the first way. The second way, you can ask, okay, classic view. So classic view bibliofile, you can select any reference like this one. I select the first one, and then I press OK, and then you can see the reference has been added as a one. So, and then similarly you can add reference. You can add reference here. Again, add edit citation, and again you can see the classic view. So from the classic view, you can see you can add this website here. So press OK, so this start appearing the references. But here, so if you want to insert the references, here you cite those reference. Here you want to insert the references. So if you want to insert the reference, just put your cursor here, enter, go to the Zotero again tab, and then add edit bibliography. So you can just press this button, so you can see the references start appearing here. So this was the website, this was the paper. So like here, if you want to again add another reference here, so like here you want another reference, press here button, add edit citations, again go to the classic view, and then from the classic view select any, like I suppose that I select the second one, and then I press this. And so it means that this was second before, and now you see, so this is the second, and the references website is appearing on the third way. But here, let's suppose if I want to add reference here, it will automatically adjust the numbers. Like this one is here. If I forget reference citation, then later on I find to know that okay, this there should be a reference at this point, at this position, so I don't need to rearrange the orders. It will automatically rearrange the orders. Like here, if I want to add one reference, so just go to this Zotero classic view, and then you can see, so this was again you can select any reference here, so you can select, so that book here. So okay, and then you can see, so before this was number one, now this was number two, this number two, and this was number three, this was number four. And then if you want to add here like more reference, if you want to add here four, number four reference, so you can just copy that reference and then paste here, then you will see that the number will change automatically. Like you can, so you see, so you refresh. Before the number was 4, and now when you insert the reference here 4 number, and then you can see the number is 3 now. So that is like quite easy way, no need to type anything. Just go to that position where you want to add reference, and then just go to the Zotero software library, and then it will start adding the references as many as you want. Like here I put reference here number one. Again I went to the library, and then classic view, and I start writing other reference like here. So you see again something else, and then again add reference, add more reference. Like here I want to add more reference, so you see reference 3 2, I want to add one more reference, and you see classic view, whatever reference you want you can just insert the references there, and then you can see the automatically adjusting the numbers, automatically adjusting the number, and automatically adding the references here, whatever the style you want, it will just do. Like here, so if you want to have another style, like if you want to change, add bibliography, so if you want to change the style, so you can change the style as well. So here you can see the references, so like everything, like you can again go to the document. So if you want, okay, Elsewhere style, or American Sociology ASA style, 6th edition, or this one, 7th edition. So just press OK button and then you will see that the references have already been changed. So you see, you don't need to do anything, and then here each and everything has been done automatically. So you just need to install this Zotero software, and you will be one click away by adding references. So you see, each and everything has been done automatically. You don't need to type the references. You don't need to be worried what will be the style of the references. So Zotero will give you each and every style. So I hope that you like this video. But if you still have any question, or you want to ask anything about the Zotero, you are most welcome. You write your comments in the comment box, and you can also write your comment in the comment box for improving and for more video about the Zotero software. So thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe the button so that you can have more videos.